Velcro under the gasket on a high roof transit. Now here's the door gasket right here. I pushed it back on. Underneath here, we have our 1/2-inch loop stuck to the metal flange, the adhesive. Then I stuck the Velcro, the 3-inch hook. The Velcro sticks to the Velcro, obviously. You leave a little up on the top, over the edge of the flange, and on transits there's a little adhesive there. If you're careful, you can get around it. You don't even have to touch it. It just depends on how bad it is. If it's smeared all over the loop area where the adhesive goes, you're gonna have to clean it. But on this one, I didn't have to. I use some spring clamps once in a while to hold it, especially if I'm working by myself. And then I'll just work the gasket all the way around on each side. Basically, I've got another clamp here. I'll work it to the top and all the way across the middle and make sure it fits correctly. So it's not stretched out or anything, and it goes back in place like it should. It's not a big deal. And then I'll have to notch these around the frame of the screen to go around the door latch itself. So again, here's my little prop. Here's your door gasket on this model. This has got the seal for your doors closing. Here's your 1/2-inch loop, and then here's your hook. On the inside of the van is this flap, and that's what actually you're gonna stick your screen to. Just so everybody's on the same page there. Just like that, sticks back on, and that flap stays there. So you can reinstall your screen or uninstall it anytime you want.